Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. For this video, I've done some deep research about Coinbase. We will discuss about their market, trading, fees, and many more important subjects about Coinbase. If you like it, you can subscribe and turn on the notification bell because I'm posting every day. So let's get started. First of all, what is Coinbase? Coinbase is a US based billion-dollar cryptocurrency trading and wallet company. It was founded in June 2017. Coinbase headquarters is located at San Francisco, State of California, and USA. Let's discuss some things about their history. Three crypto enthusiasts, an Airbnb engineer, which is Brian Armstrong, a trader at Golden Sash, and founder of blockchain, co-founded Coinbase. But Rivers left the team due to differences. Armstrong and Ersam together developed it. Market trading and fees. Coinbase is the largest broker and wallet service of cryptocurrency in the United States. Coinbase have its own exchange version as Coinbase Pro provides service. Coinbase Pro, which has more than 45 coins and more than 125 of trading pairs in spot categories. It also has little unverified market, however, it has no derivative markets in trading platform. Coinbase's Prime version provides solutions for financial institutions, institutional investors, liquidity providers, crypto businesses, and asset issuers. Coinbase and Coinbase Pro and Prime have different fees models. Coinbase fees depends on liquidity provided. More the transaction amount, lesser the fees. In Coinbase Pro and Prime, maker and taker fees starts from 0.5%, which is significantly higher in comparing to exchange platforms. However, those fees keeps dropping till 10 levels. These levels are determined on trading volume performed in last 30 days. Fees go down as low as 0.04% for taker and 0% for maker. Coinbase charges no fees for storing fiat or cryptocurrencies. Any transaction from Coinbase to Coinbase is also free. This helps the company to promote businesses within the platform. Transaction outside Coinbase charges fees which starts from 1.49%. Their global platform, Coinbase is providing crypto fiat broker services in 32 countries. It also providing crypto transaction and storage to its members worldwide. It has membership of more than 13 million users in 190 countries. Strong is a strong platform. Coinbase did several developments to make itself a strong platform, such as support from financial firms like Andreessen Horowitz, Ribbit Capital, New York Stock Exchange, acquiring important platforms like Bookmark and ShareTool, kept Blockchain Explorer and distributed public ledger blocker. Blockchain Analytics Neutral in 2019, crypto payment partnership with other firms like Expedia, Dell, Dish Network, and Overstock. Coinbase is a regulated company, has obtained a virtual currency trading license called BitLicense from the NYSDFC, which is New York State Department of Financial Services. It has a easy verification. As a regulated trading company, Coinbase does require KYC verification. However, the verification process takes only 3 minutes in average. In 2018, it was a payment error. Credit or debit card users were overcharged for crypto purchases. Visa and WorldPay blamed Coinbase for system error. As a regulated company, American authorities have the right to identify the user of Coinbase. For example, in 2017, United States IRS ordered to Coinbase to find users who did 20K per year transaction. Coinbase has its own earning program which lets the users to learn certain crypto works and earn some amount of crypto like Compound, XLM, DAI, EOS, and more. Under this program, users just have to watch videos and complete some questions and answers in quiz format. This feature helps users to earn free cryptocurrencies and understand the crypto. So guys, now let's take a look on their website here. Let's go on top. So you can buy and sell. You can earn interest on your crypto. They have also NFT, Coinbase One, card wallet. So if you want to learn more about Coinbase, you can go here on their website. If you want to get started, just click here. You can sign in if you already have an account. So if you want to learn more about Bitcoin, you can also comment in the comment section down below of my video, and you can say there your questions and I will make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. You can also like this video if it was useful, and subscribe to our channel for more updates about this topic and for some more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.